Good morning, guys. Today we are discussing about what is data model. We have discussed up to yesterday, we have discussed what is Oracle, why is Oracle, and what is the use of Oracle database in the project. So that finished in the first session. In the second session, types of databases and role of databases. After learning database, we will become as which type of designator. Designator means what is the designation of us once we get Oracle knowledge. So you can get a job as a database developer or Oracle developer or PLSQL programmer. All are same. Database developer, Oracle developer, PLSQL programmer, everything is same. So finally you are becoming as a database developer. So in the last session, we discussed how to connect to database. Before connecting to database, we need user account details. Who is giving user account details? DBA is giving user account details. DBA is providing user account details. That is also yesterday we completed. Now, before going to discuss about data model, what we need, listen carefully, guys. Here we are discussing about Oracle. What is Oracle? So I'm not going to beginning, don't worry. Okay, just I need this knowledge before enter into data model. What is database? So Oracle is a database. Assume that we are discussing about Oracle. It is a database. What is the purpose of database? You can store data. First step is storing data. Second step, we can access data. Third step, we can manage the data. Okay, store data, access data, manage data. Where is the data, guys? From where you are getting data? Business. From the business objects and business transactions, you are getting data. Booking a movie ticket, canceling train ticket, everything. Deposit money into your bank account. See, everything is a transaction. Remember, see, register with business. Register with business. It is one transaction. Withdraw money. Withdraw money. It is one transaction. Book a ticket. It is also transaction. From these transactions, the data will be generated. Okay, that data is saved under database server. The data is stored under database server. Listen carefully. In which format the data is storing? In any database, in any RDBMS, the data stored in the form of tables. The data stored in the form of tables. Don't miss this point. Okay, what is a table? Table is a object in the database. Table is a object in the database. So this is called as table. Data is stored in the form of table. Okay. What is your data? See, data is coming from business. Listen carefully. In the business, you have employees are there. For employees, we need a table. For departments, another table. And for products, other table. And for customers, another table. Listen. And for transactions, yes, there should be some other table. And orders, there should be some table. So for each object, these are called as objects: employees, departments, products, customers. These are known as objects. And for transactions, transaction is one object in the business. So for each object, we should create a table. For each object, we should create a table. Now, listen guys, what is the topic we are going to discuss? Data model, right? So, see here guys, you are ready to create table. Then tell me, what is the table name? How many columns you will maintain in the table? What are the column names? Did you understand my point? So here, what is my problem? Here, see here. I want to create a table. I want to create a table. Then tell me, what is the table name? Who will provide a table name? And then what are the columns? Column names. And then how many columns? These are the question marks for us before developing a database. Generally guys, before developing any project, maybe it is a personal house, maybe it is an apartment, maybe it is a gated community, maybe it is a database, whatever the project it is, before starting development, we should depend on design document. So we should depend on design document. So what is our design document name? What is our design document name? So listen guys, we will develop a database. We will develop a database based on data model. Based on data model. That is very, very important. So based on data model, we will start creating tables. So what is data model? Let me explain that point right now. What is data model? Data model, it is a graphical diagram. So present what we are discussing? Data model. What is the name of data model? ER model. Entity relationship model. Entity relationship model. Remember, the name of data model is called as entity relationship model. How it look like, what it contains. So data model contains business objects, business objects, object properties, and relations between objects. Business objects, object properties, relations between objects. Everybody guys, listen carefully. Again I am repeating, data model contains. So data model contains what it contains? Business objects. And next, object properties. And also relations between objects. Relations between objects. Remember, these are the 3 points it contains: business objects, object properties, and relations between objects. What is a data model? What is a data model? It is a graphical diagram. It is a graphical diagram. And what it contains? It contains objects, properties, relations. Listen guys, objects represented with rectangle. Here I am writing the point here. Hold on. Let me move to here. So I want to write the points here. How to represent objects? Objects are representing with objects are represent with rectangle. Rectangle. That is the shape here. Okay, the spelling is wrong here. Objects are represented with rectangle. Okay, and how to represent properties? So properties are represented with ellipses. Properties are represented with ellipses. Properties are represented with ellipses. And finally, relations are represent with rhombus. These are the 3 symbols we are using. 3 different symbols, 3 different components are there: objects, properties, relations. Objects represented with rectangle, properties represented with ellipse, relations represent with rhombus. Listen carefully guys. Here I am taking one example. Of course, every day, at any time, nowadays everything is online transactions. At any one moment, you did this transaction already in your phone. Again, I'm repeating, from the beginning of your life, at any moment, at any time, already you did whatever the transaction I am explaining. What is the transaction? Let us assume you are buying a product, you are buying a product in online. Okay, you means customer. You are buying a product in online. Let me take a product. Okay, for this requirement, I am creating data model. For this requirement, I am creating data model. Who are you? You are a customer. Customer is one object according to database. Customer is one object according to database. Let me take objects represented with, see here guys, objects represented with rectangle. So I am taking one rectangle here. Okay, I want to take one rectangle. So what is this? It is a customer object. Okay, what is your requirement? You are buying a product. You means customer. Product is another object. Product is other object. Listen, I want to take one more rectangle. So for to represent product, this is product. Okay, product object completed, customer object completed. Each object have properties. What are the properties? What are the properties? See, here are my properties. Customer has some properties here. That is customer ID, customer name, customer mobile number. That's all. Only three properties I am maintaining. Properties are represented with ellipses. Properties are represented with ellipses. These are three ellipses. And relations between objects, that is later, the properties are connected to each object. The properties are here related to customer. So these three properties connected to customer object. The next point is product. What are the properties of product you have? Product ID. So let me take a different here. Product ID. Next, product name, product cost, warranty, and product description, product specifications, manufacturing date, everything. Okay, let me take up to here. These are the properties of products. Properties represented with ellipse. Yes, represented. And this is about properties. And these properties related to which one? Product object. Let me connect these properties to the products. I hope everybody is able to understand, guys. So first we need a design document. Based on design document, we will start the development. Based on design document, we will start development. Okay, now see, customer is making order. Here we should see, like you, so many people in online making so many orders. Listen guys, don't miss this point here. Here you are buying a product. Like you, so many people are trying to buy a product in online. So many people. So all orders should be saved at one table. All orders, customer orders, we have to maintain separately. So orders are one other object. Orders is another object. So let me take another object. The object is represented with rectangle. Okay, so this is called as orders, or otherwise let me take a blue color. Okay, orders completed. This is one more object. What are the properties of orders? What are the properties of orders? See, I am writing, just I'm taking simple thing. Order number, order date, order quantity, order quantity, order amount, order amount. So actually so many properties are there because payment status, payment type, payment date to time. We have to maintain all these things, but I'm taking limited, no problem. See, this is orders object. See guys, properties are represented with ellipses. So this is one ellipse, and again one more ellipse. Yeah, listen guys, here orders is also completed. Orders object is also completed. Object and its properties. Okay, fine. Now my next requirement is who make this order. Simple example. Listen guys. Here order number one. Order number one. Ordered today. One product. Okay. Amount is 10,000. Suppose I am making order. Dinesh is making order. My order number one. Order date today. Quantity one product. Order amount 10,000. What is my question is, in this table, you are maintaining order number. Okay. Order date. Okay. Order quantity. Okay. Order amount is 10,000. That is also fine. Then tell me, Dinesh ordered which product? And this is order information. Okay. You are maintaining order information. The order is related to which customer? Like me, so many people ordered so many things. So the order number one related to which customer? Are you getting some
Yeah.
gap is there or not? All of you
Yes.
guys, listen carefully. Why? Because this concept is very, very important.
Mm.
Understand? Here you have a problem. Who made that order? Who make that order? The order is related to whom? You are missing that point. If you don't want to miss that point, if you don't want to miss that point, we should maintain relation between, yes, we should maintain relation between two tables. Yeah, here relations are represented with rhombus. Okay, let me take the rhombus here. So it is related to customer table and order table. Here customer ID you have to take. Customer, yeah, customer ID. Okay, if you maintain relation like this, then there is a one more property. One more property. See here, I am adding one more property, guys. So this property is nothing but customer ID. The property is nothing but customer ID. Okay, completed. Now again, let me take the data. Again, I want to take data. See here, customer ID 1010, order number 1, order date today, order quantity 1, order amount is 10,000. Now see guys, before adding relation, what is my question? This order number 1 related to which customer? The order number 1 related to this customer. Now you will get a clarity here. Clarity means the order is, yes, Prakash, it is foreign key. So see, if I say foreign key, if I use the terms foreign key, primary key, the people who don't have the knowledge, they will be confused. That's why I am not using that terminology. Okay, so see here guys, Now this order number 1 related to this customer. So some gap was full, completed. There is no gap right now between customer and order. Next question is, listen guys, next question is, suppose this is a Dinesh. He make an order. His order number 1. He did the order today. Number of products 1. 10,000 his payment. Now, Dinesh ordered for which product? Understand, guys? Okay, order related to so and so customer, but customer has to order for one specific product or not? What is that product? Listen, you are missing product information here. You are missing product information here. If you don't want to miss product information, we should maintain relation between orders and products. We should maintain relation between orders and product. Remember, that is, here you have to maintain product ID. Product ID. And this is the relation between orders and products. Completed. Sir, what completed? So listen carefully. Here I am maintaining one more property. What is the property? Product ID. Product ID. And let me take one ellipse here. This is related to orders again. Now see, listen carefully guys. This is the customer. Make an order for one product today. His payment is 10,000 and he ordered for which product? Here I am giving the product code. The product code is ILTPQS. This is the complete one line of information in your customer order table. This is the complete information from your orders table. So just let me move this. Yeah. See, customer ID 1010. He ordered for one product that is called as ILTPQS. And he paid 10,000 rupees. And the order came today only for one product. And his order number is 1. Hope you understand, guys. Yeah.
Yes.
These are called as relations, objects, properties. This is
Properties.
known as data model.
Mm.
Don't worry, Prakash. Just casually, I have taken some product code, product ID. ILTPQS means it's a product ID. Okay. So this is about data model. Generally, based on this data model, we will start development. How to
Mhm.
start development? What is the first step in the database? First step
To
is
create a
create a table.
table.
Okay. So how to create a table? All of you guys,
Mhm.
I hope you understand what is
Yes.
data model. So this is the same information I am maintaining in the notepad. What is data model? It is a graphical
Mhm.
representation of business. So it contains what? It contains objects, properties, relations. And see, the objects represented with rectangle, property represented with ellipse, and relation represented with rhombus. And come to here. Now, The design is ready. Based on the design, we should create tables. So first table, customer table. Next table, product table.
Table.
After that, we will create orders, remember. So first we need customer and then product. After that, orders. Okay, how to create customer table? Listen guys, first command we are discussing, DDL command, data definition language command. So what is DDL command's purpose? DDL commands are useful to create objects, to modify objects, and to delete objects in the database. To create objects, to modify objects, and to delete objects within the database. Understand? So, first command is create. What is the use of create command? Create command is useful to create any database object. Create command is useful to create any database object. Immediately you have a doubt. Sir, what are the database objects? Okay, I am asking you one question, guys. Object means in the real time, in the real world, in surroundings of you, what is the use of chair? Chair, it's an object for sitting purpose. What is the use of bike? Traveling purpose. What is the use of car? Car is also one object. Whatever the items you are seeing surrounding you, those are called as objects. Similarly, in the database also, we have some objects, and each object is useful for specific purpose. What is that purpose? Listen, table to store data, view to access data, index to search data. Remember, each object has a specific advantage. Okay, sir, how to create these objects? First command, you can create any object by using create command. What are the objects in the database? One of the interview question, guys. What are the objects in the database? Tables, views, indexes, sequences, synonyms, user accounts, functions, procedures, triggers, packages. All these things are called as database objects. How to create any object? By using create command. Now we are discussing about, we have some table here. What is the table? Customer. How to create customer table? So first we are learning about how to create a table. How to create a table. So syntax is this. We should follow these rules. Create table, table name. Create table, table name. Open the bracket. Column name, data type, size. Again, column 2, data type, size. Okay, column name, data type, size, comma, column name, data type, size, comma. After listing your columns, close the bracket and then semicolon. Close the bracket and then use semicolon. Yesterday we discussed semicolon indicates end of your query. This is a query, SQL query. We are discussing about SQL. In the SQL, we will write SQL queries. Query is a statement to perform a task. Here, My task is to create a table. To create a table, I should write some query. One more point, guys. Any query, any SQL query should begins with command. Any SQL query should start with command only. Here the command is create. Create table, table name, open the bracket, column name, data type, size. Again, comma, column 2, data type, size. Close the bracket and semicolon. Now, what is the table? Customer. So how many columns here? Customer
Three
ID,
columns.
customer name, mobile number.
Mm.
Object names are table names. Property names are column names. Object names are table names. Property names are column names. Okay, let me write a query. How to create a table? How to create a table? Guys, see what is the command? Create table. The table name is customer. Open the bracket. See, you have to depend on your data model. Cust ID, cust name, mobile number. Okay, what are the columns? Cust ID, cust name, mobile number. Three columns. Cust ID, number of 5. I am taking it as number of 5. Cust name, varchar 2 of 20. And mobile number, it is a number of 10. Close the bracket. Where I am typing the query in the notepad. Don't type the queries in the notepad, no use. You should type the query in SQL Start Plus window. So first connect to database, and then in the SQL Start Plus window, we should type queries and programs. Okay, how to open SQL Start Plus? How to open SQL Start Plus? See guys, go to Start, Programs, and go to Oracle folder. This is Oracle folder. Start, Programs, Oracle folder. Select it. Then you have so many options. In these options, you are seeing SQL Plus. Select it. Then it will open SQL Start Plus. Okay. First, if you want to connect to database, you need username and password. Username and password provided by DBA in the companies. But in the local system, in your personal system, you are the DBA, you are the developer. So you must create your account in your system. Don't work with DBA account, that is wrong. Okay guys, we are working with Oracle 19C. We are working with Oracle 19C. Okay, first step in 12C, 18C, 19C, in the three versions, 12C, 18C, 19C, in the three versions, first step is connect as DBA. Second step, switch into local database. Third step, connect as developer. Now, system, this is the DBA username and DBA password, manager_1, that is my DBA password. See here, you are connected to Oracle Database 19C Enterprise Edition. Now, first step completed, connect as DBA completed. What is second step? Switch into local database. Alter session set container equal to ORCL PDB. Alter session set container equal to ORCL PDB. Second step completed. Third step, connect as developer. So in the last video, you have the process how to create a user account in Oracle 19C. Please watch the previous video, yesterday video only. Okay, so already we have created one user account. The username is Dinesh7 and password is welcome. So let me connect as Dinesh7. Connect as Dinesh7 slash welcome @ ORCL PDB. So this is the process for which versions? 12C, 18C, 19C. In the before version means before Oracle 12C, if you are working with 11G, don't use this one. Only connect Dinesh 7. Open SQL Star Plus window. First step, open SQL Star Plus window. Second step is this. That's all. So if it is asking username, enter Dinesh 7. Yeah, I will tell you. I will explain Prakash how to install. Okay, so connect Dinesh 7 slash password @ ORCL PDB. Finished. Understand? So Dinesh 7 connected to database. What is my next step? So here we have some query. What is the query? Customer table. How to create it? Listen all of you guys. Before going to create, I want to see, is there any table created already? Is there any table or any object created earlier? Say, select star from user underscore objects. Objects. Is there any object created? No object. Don't miss this, guys. Select star from user underscore object. See, if you create a table or view or anything, yes, after typing the query, we should press enter. Okay. So now I am creating first table, guys. Let me copy. This is the notepad already query typed. Suppose if there is no semicolon, let me remove semicolon. What will happen? Check it out. Copy this. Yes, copied. And go to here, paste it. Okay. One problem, guys, here. Some environments, you are not able to paste it directly. You are not able to paste it directly. In that case, right click on the top border. Right click on the top border, select edit. In the edit, you have the option paste. Understand? Right click on the top border, select edit. Under edit, select paste. Then your query will be pasted. Completed. If I hit enter, listen guys, I am hitting enter. It is not executing. Why? If there is a semicolon, then only it will understand the query is ended. So a semicolon, enter. Table created. Table created. Okay. I want to create second table. I want to create a second table with the same name. Can I create? See, create table customer. See here, customer number, it's a character. Customer city, varchar2, varchar2 of 10, and customer date of birth, DOB. It's like date. Can I create like this? No. Why? Already customer table created. Again, you are trying to create other table with the same name. That is wrong. So within your user account, don't try to create any objects with duplicate names. Duplicate names are not valid. Each name should begin with alphabet. Some rules and regulations before creating a table. So what are the rules we should follow? Listen guys, these are the rules. Rules to follow before writing names. Which are known as names? Object names are called as names. Column names are called as names. Variable names are also known as names. Before writing object names, column names, and variable names, you should follow the below rules. You should follow the below rules. Okay, what are the rules we have to follow? Name should start with alphabet. Name should start with alphabet. Within the name, you can use any of these characters. Anyone. Small a to z, capital A to z, 0 to 9, and these symbols. Anything you can use. Understand? And remember guys, don't use these symbols in the password. Underscore is valid, but don't use @ symbol, dollar symbol, and hash symbol in the password of user account. Don't use. In the username also, don't use. It is better. Underscore you can use, but don't use @ dollar and hash. Immediately you have a doubt. Why, sir? Listen. If you type a username like this, Venkat @95, this is the username. See, the string or the name followed by @ symbol, the name followed by @ symbol indicates database name. After @ symbol, generally we will write a database name, but here it is not a database. Don't use. The next reason, Venkat hash 2001, hash also not valid. Why? In the Unix or Linux operating system, hash means the administrator prompt. Prompt is this one. This is the prompt. So it is a default prompt for the system admin in Unix or Linux. So don't use this. Dollar, Venkat dollar something 1001. Don't use dollar also. Dollar indicates developer prompt symbol in Unix or Linux. So hash and dollars are special symbols in Unix or Linux. @ symbol is a special symbol according to Oracle database. So don't use these symbols in the usernames and passwords. That is better. Okay, again, what are the rules? Name should start with alphabet. Yeah, I will give you again. Gaur. So within the name, you can use the following characters. Use these things. A to Z, capital A to Z, 0 to 9. Within the username or password, don't use these special symbols. @ symbol identify database name. Dollar symbol is a prompt for developer in Unix. Hash is a prompt for administrator in Unix. So don't use these symbols. Okay. Names are not case sensitive. You can write names, table names, column names, variable names in small case, capital case, mixed case. Duplicate names are not valid. And don't use predefined keywords as table names. Don't use predefined keywords as names. Within the name, don't maintain spaces. Within the name, don't maintain spaces. Minimum length of the name, 1 character. Maximum length of the name, 30 characters. So you have to follow these 6 rules before writing a table. Hope you understand, guys. So what we discussed today, what is a data model? What is the importance of data model? Before creating data model, what we need after data model created, what is our next step? Next step means development. Our next step is development only. Understand? Is there any other questions, guys? This is the end of the session for today, and tomorrow I will continue with the next part. Any questions from anyone?
Um,
Yes, Vanita.
Sir, I don't have Oracle in my system.
Okay.
So will you help me out for this, or
Yes.
I have to download from?
If you are able to download, you can download, no problem. If you
Okay.
if you are unable to download, I will provide the software, but
Okay.
downloading time is very long time. Why? Because see here, Oracle 19C. Oracle
Mm-hmm.
19C. See the properties so that you can understand how much size it is having. 3 GB,
Okay.
2.89 GB. If you are able to download, then I will send the software to you. You can
Okay.
download.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
And before downloading Oracle 19C, before installing Oracle 19C, it is recommended to have at least 8 GB RAM. 8 GB RAM.
8 GB RAM.
Yes,
Yeah,
compulsory.
my system has a 8 GB RAM.
Okay, no problem. Do you have
Okay.
any previous Oracle versions?
No, I don't have any
Okay,
previous Oracle versions.
okay. Do one thing. All of you guys, I am saying all of you this point. I am sending Oracle 19C zip file. I am sending Oracle 19C zip file through this website. Let me show you that. I am using freely this one. Um, filemail.com. Through this, I will send the file. Okay. If your laptop or personal system has minimum 8 GB RAM, then only
Mm-hmm.
download it.
Okay.
Why? Because if you don't have 8 GB RAM, even downloaded, there is no use.
Juice, yeah.
Yes, that's why. So I am sending this file to all of you. Download the file, whoever requires it. And one more point I am suggesting you, don't make any installations yourself without having proper knowledge. Don't
Okay.
do installation trials. If you
Mm-hmm.
do it and if it was failed, you have to format your system.
Okay.
Be careful.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm sending the
Okay.
file today, Manita.
Okay. Sir, one more question, sir. I missed two classes.
Hmm.
You are going to give those notes?
Yeah, I'm forwarding the notes
Okay.
from the
So,
beginning day. I will give you the notes. Don't worry.
okay. Sir, one more doubt.
Hmm.
If we are in real-time work,
Hmm.
okay. So if I get any doubt, will you be there to help me out, sir?
No, it is known as
No. Okay.
job support.
Okay. Yeah, job
Yeah,
support.
job
Yes.
support not provided. Why? Because at that time, maybe I am free or maybe I am in office. So
Okay.
I
Okay.
unable to provide job support. It's a different one.
Okay. Okay. It's a different one. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Like if we want,
Hmm.
you are available. Like,
Yes.
yeah. Understood.
Yeah.
Yes. Understood, sir. Yeah. Got it. Okay.
Okay. So remaining guys, any more questions?
Okay. Sir, this notes you will be sending, sir, today what all you have
Yes,
told,
yes,
like how to create a table and all it is.
yes, note.
And we can store in the system, like
Yes.
whenever we can have a glance.
Sure,
Yes, sir?
definitely. Yes.
Yes. Okay. 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 Thank you, sir.
I will send through mail.
Okay.
Yep. Yeah, Prashant.
Hello.
Prashant, we will discuss data types in detail. Don't worry. It was not completed. Okay. So today we discussed how to create a table and what are the rules we have to follow. After that, we have a clear explanation of data types.
Okay.
Okay. So each and
Mm-hmm.
every data type, what are the character data types? Just
Mm-hmm.
casually, I'm showing it to you. See, char
Okay, sir.
data type, varchar2 data type, date data type, everything. Each and every point I will touch. Tomorrow, maybe we will discuss. If we
Mm.
do the
Okay, sir.
installation tomorrow, then uh, we are unable to discuss data types tomorrow. If we did installation, if installation is not there, then
Sure.
I will explain about data types tomorrow. Okay,
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
right.
Yeah.
Hello.
Thank you.
Yeah. Who is this? Naresh?
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, somebody is speaking. Prakash?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, please help us tomorrow to install the software.
Sure, definitely. But do you have 8 GB RAM in your system?
Yes. Yes,
Yeah,
sir. I am.
no problem. I will show you the live installation. Don't worry about it.
Okay, sir.
On any
Yes,
one
sir.
of
Make anyone as presenter then.
yeah, I will make any one of you as presenter and I will show you the installation part. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Reminding people, if it is possible to you, you can parallelly install or at least copy the steps.
Okay.
Sir, one
That's fine.
one more question, sir.
Yes.
Sir, is it possible to shift this class from 6:30 to 7:30?
6:30 to 7:30. Of course, reminding people, if they agree, all the people are able to attend, then I can change. Uh,
Because sir, I have class from 8:30, sir. It's college time.
okay. But some people already pinging me. No, sir, not possible at 6:30.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah, no, okay, not possible to change the time. Same time only, 7 to 8.
Okay, sir, no problem.
Okay.
I will manage.
Yeah, yeah. Yes. Who is this? Who is this?
Sir, can I leave the session, sir?
Yeah, yeah. You can leave. The session completed, guys.
Okay.
Somebody.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Bye, guys. Uh,
Bye.
S- Supreet, tell me.
Naresh.
Yes, Naresh.
Sir, Supreet here. I
Oh,
have I'm working in second shift or night shift, so it is not possible for me to start the get the class in 6:30.
hmm.
So this is the best timing for me.
Okay. I am not
Because,
changing. I am not
I
changing
can,
any time. Supreet,
okay,
I am not
yeah,
changing any time. Don't worry.
okay, thank you.
Yeah, Naresh, tell me.
Yes, sir. I mean, the training session is going to explain in 19C or 12C and
19
11G.
training session is suitable for 11G, 12C, 19C. Three versions.
Three
Whatever
versions.
the concepts we are explaining here, suppose if I am explaining a concept, if it is not working
Yes.
in any version, I will touch that point also. If I don't
Okay.
touch any points means the concept working under 11G, 12C, 18C, 19C. All versions are supporting that concept. If there are any
Got it, sir. So,
changes, I will inform it to you. Don't worry.
and one more question. So, which
Yes.
version can I install? So, are you going to suggest
Okay.
us? Can I install 12C
Okay.
or 11?
Okay. Do one thing. If you are comfortable with 11G, go through with 11G. If you are comfortable with 12C, go through with 12C.
No. I'm new to the
Hmm.
version, so you can suggest me which version is
Okay.
good for me.
So what is the RAM in your system?
8 GB,
8 GB. Then better to install 19C or 12C.
12 I will install.
Yeah.
Okay. So, are you going to provide link, right, sir?
Come again.
Installation. Are you going to provide the link, sir? Else we
Uh,
go to the
12,
Google.
12C. Any one I will provide, but remaining all versions I am unable to provide.
Okay, sir, no
Okay.
problem.
So here I am giving
12 is good.
19C means you can download 12C.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
And
Tomorrow you're going to explain, right, sir?
yes,
How to install
tomorrow
and
I am going to explain how to install the database.
yeah, good.
19C database in your system.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay, guys. That's all for today. Rest of the part we will continue tomorrow. Gaur, I think you asked some questions. Right. Something. Okay. Yeah, Tim, you are asking something. You raised it. Do you have a 9 p.m. class? 9 p.m. IST class? Are you speaking about 9 p.m. IST class? Yeah, I have the class. It's already entering into PLSQL at 9 p.m. IST. We are entering into PLSQL from today. You want to attend parallelly? Okay. That's all for today, guys. Thank you, all of you. See you tomorrow.